Lighting makes a big difference in a kitchen. And we recently did this job where we were refinishing this kitchen ceiling, and this beautiful light fixture was put up, so it shows everything. In the middle of winter, you'll notice that these stairways were cracking. All the caulking was really badly done, so we scraped and recaulked and then repainted all these stairways. And what a fantastic job this was! This looks spectacular. And Flying Colors Painting, we do that kind of work, and we love to make people happy and look at the end result.